Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove suggested reels tab on Facebook. So this is kinda annoying for some people, and yeah, the option to remove the suggested reels tab on this app is available on Facebook. You just need to follow my steps to make things completed. So first, I just want you to go into Facebook, tap on it, and right here after that I want you to go into this profile picture on the top right corner, actually your profile picture. So tap on it, and after that I want you to you will be right here, and I want you to scroll down until you can see the settings and privacy option. That one, tap on it, and after that tap on settings. So as you can see, there are multiple options and settings right here. So to save time, I just want you to tap on the search settings bar right here. I want you to tap tab bar. So tab bar. Alright, so once we type tab bar right here, this is the option. So we will tap on it, and here I want to go into the customize the bar right here, the first option. So right here, as you can see, there are too many available tabs, and you can either pin them or you can hide them. So for you, if you got annoyed because you have the bar of suggested reels, you can just go into the feeds right here and tap on the auto, and right here I want to tap on hide. After that I want to go into videos, tap on it, and tap on hide, the last option, and the problem is solved. Anyways guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.